Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If your YouTube videos play without any sound, try these quick fixes. One of them will definitely work for you. First, check your volume. Press the volume up button while playing the video. Make sure media volume is turned up, not just ringtone. Second, disconnect Bluetooth devices. If you have used Bluetooth earbuds or speakers, your phone might still be connected. Swipe down and tap Bluetooth and disconnect any paired devices. Third step is to clear YouTube cache. For that, go to settings, scroll down and find this option called apps and tap on it. And here use the search icon at the top right and search YouTube. Scroll down and go to storage and tap clear cache. This won't delete your data, so don't worry. Fourth step is to restart the app or your phone. Close YouTube completely. Reopen it. If there's still no sound, restart your phone. You can also try different video or app. Check if the issue is only on YouTube. If other apps also have no sound, it's a system audio issue. And update or reinstall YouTube. Go to the Play Store, search YouTube, tap update if available, or uninstall and reinstall the app. Still no luck? Try checking safe mode to rule out third-party issues. And yes, that's it. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful tips. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.